We say family. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're back with another one. When I get two today, no? When I get two today. We're back with another one. Popcaan relevant. Popcaan just dropped this a couple hours ago. So I'm gonna say, why not react to it? So we are reacting to it. We are here. We're back in Jamaica. Big up Papi. Big up Popcaan. Big up Popcaan. You understand? All of them relevant. So don't try to delay. Let's just jump straight tonight and see what going on. Let's go. So this one I'm gonna react to it. I'm gonna react / breakdown, but I'm gonna more react. You see me? So let's jump to it and see what going on. Let's go.
Hello. Hi, Papi. Are you coming over anytime soon?
Popcaan, I'm going to be with you. You're Popcaan talk to your grandmother. Because I don't know Miss Rona this. Me know Miss Rona. This is not Miss Rona. This is Papi grandmother.
Hello. Hi, Papi. Are you coming over anytime soon? Please let me know.
It's so food. It's so forward. Big up Papi.
Yeah.
Yo, Papi, you have to give Papi a credit. You have to give Papi the credit. You don't have to rate Papi, but just rate what he's doing. Rate what Popcaan is doing. Popcaan is one of those artists that just keep getting like better and better. He must soar to new heights. You see me? Big up Papi. He's so talented. Like, this youth is so talented. Big up to the max.
Does. Look, I'm good. Look.
Yo, once you hear the piano, this is a hit song. Once you hear the piano, this is a hit song. The man said, "Look at me good. Just look at me. Look at me. Just look. Just."
Feel you know in my thing, no.
What I'm saying?
Feel you know in my thing, no. Get to youths, go for the goal. We been a win.
The man said, "Listen, look at me. Failure is not in my thing. Failure is a no. Is my get a youth. Go for the goal. We still a win. We still winning. Are we still a win? Boy, are we still a win? Hey, we still a win. We still a win." Papi sing that song there. Papi said, "Look at me. We still winning, bro. Let's go."
Feel you know in my thing.
Never.
If you're living a board house, you're still a queen. You're still a king.
Yo, no matter where you live, no matter how big your house is, no matter what make your house, you're still a queen, you're still a king. Basically, I tell you, believe in yourself, believe in your dream, work hard to it. You can achieve it, cause Papi don't tell a theme story. He's coming from nothing to something. You see me? Big up Cartel, put him to the world. Let's go.
Seems like a monster you create to help a human. Give them a rule, them want a human.
Jesus Christ. Facts. It's like it's a monster you create when you help certain human. Most human, when you help them see them one turn around and bite up on your finger. Look at my finger, them bite marks full my finger, them. So much people may help and them still bite me. Look at this, like he's telling you, like it is like a monster you create when you help a human, brother. That cannot be more real than what he's saying, bro. No joke. Papi, you're so talented, my G. Big up yourself, my bro. Bro, God, let's go, man.
Take what they want and gone. Me not sure if them a fish or prawn. Yeah, you're highly blessed from your have God in you.
Man said them take what they want and gone. You're not sure if them a fish or prawn. In Jamaica, fish a chichiman. Fish again. Me just say it. Fish, if you're a fish, you're a batty, man. So we're not sure if you're a fish or you're a prawn. You see me? Give them anything, them just come and take what them want and gone. Yeah. Yo, Papi's so talented, bro. Yo, I'm rate Papi, dog. Not
Friend, we sell you out, you was how it go. Is the reason why me name the unruly boss. Send them a screw me rough, me never soft, no. Dominant, prominent, them.
It's a really why my name the unruly boss. I'm from St. Thomas. St. Thomas grow me. St. Thomas grow me is a tough place. Me grow tough like Scotch Bright. Me no sponge, me no soft. Me grow tough like Scotch Bright. With them use scour pot. Yeah, that's some thing that's tough. You see me? Yes. Yo, me no soft on the battlefield, brother. Let's go, papi.
Them can't stop me like a monument. D&G, the permission. Estate of me no pay no rent.
D&G, the permission. The D&G cologne me a rape. D&G. Estate is my one. The estate is mine. Me no pay rent, brother. All paid for by me. Who? Me. I work hard and give myself this. So if I can do it, you can do it. That is what Papi said. Big up me G, Papi.
Yeah. 2010 drop top, give me the X5 and Sefi drive.
What I'm saying?
Me no pay no rent. Yeah. 2010 drop top, give me the X5 and Sefi drive. Regard and burger, them still have to survive.
2020 drop top record, drop top I think drop top there in England. Drop top do enough. Drop top is a producer. He make enough beat and stuff like that. And Cartels have do a couple work with him back in the days. And squash them I think. But he must say 2010 drop top give him the X5 and say yo drive. You see me? Yeah.
To collect enough minimum wage, get the house and the range and me never change. Never know a market could have make your mood different. Style of your power and your crew different.
A Markex, for those who don't know what a Markex is, a Markex is a car. Markex, is it Toyota Markex? I think it's a Toyota, right? Markex is a Toyota, not Honda. Is it Honda or Toyota? One of them anyway. Markex. Same, but basically I said I never know a Markex could let you to start different, start different. You start get bad mind, like you know what going like after me get the market. I don't know who I'm talking. He's talking to somebody though. That is what I'm sure of. Toyota Markex, I think, man. Let me Google that, man. I don't want to get that one wrong, you know. Toyota Markex. I think it's a Toyota car. Sorry guys, sorry. Markex car. Toyota Markex, yes. Toyota Markex, yes. Let's go.
To see them vex anytime event and still go a road and I use my strength. If you know, say, you'll know in my team.
The pussy them vex anytime event, but yet still them still I go a road and I use me. Papi, this song is so smooth. This song is so, you know, but it is effective with a beat. Me like the rhythm, the video bad, production bad, your vocal bad. Let's go, bro. Big up Skilly.
Them knows yeah.
Feel annoying my thing. Big up Skilly. Me just say Skilly Bang. I'm gonna do some reaction on Skilly Bang video. Them in my sort to new heights too. St. Thomas artist. Unruly. Yeah, Papi have some blood clot dance, I see you. Papi have some dance when him go like Michael Jackson. Yo, you want to see Papi more time on him Instagram. Papi have watch him dance again. From them switch already, they will switch again. Me sing about them ways. I mean hit again. Basically, I tell you right now, he's singing about them ways and this is a hit song. Him know already before him drop it that this is a hit song. Papi, you're different, my G. Your work rate, you get that exactly from Cartel. You get that directly from Cartel, your work rate, my G. Hits on top of hits, brother.
Yeah, them chatting with Tom and Jerry and Dan and Kerry on road and cellular.
Them chat me with Tom and Jerry the cartoon, Dan and Kerry. So them chat me with everybody pan the road and pan cellular, pan phone. Yo, Papi dog, you're different.
Watch yourself, watch your grin, and all of your dogs them genuine. No for them no want see you win. Music and God and me everything.
Listen. Watch your friends, watch the grin. When them they run here with them fake smile. Watch them. It's not everything glitter or gold. It's not every skin teeth a laugh. Watch them, brother. Watch them. A lot of them do not want to see you soar to new heights. A lot of them do not want to see you win. You see me? Them just they're on you for what them can get. If tomorrow comes and something happen and you fall off, them scatter, them gone. Them gone, leech on somebody else. I saw them stay. So watch the people them around you. Watch your action. You see me? Yo. Skilly, see Skilly then I blue. Big up Skilly again. Video different. And rolling. Yo, this song is a hit song. This song is a hit song, Papi. The song itself, nice melody. You can drive along, you can listen to it in your car with your grandmother, in your car with your mother, in your car. You can listen to it with anybody around you. The song is so nice. And I'm gonna put a link to the full video down in the description, so go and check it out. The views are climbing on it. Papi, big up yourself. Unruly family, big up on yourself. You see me? Yo, the song 100% pass. You know me, I go Papi that. Come on, Papi that. From Gaza days. Come on, Papi. Hits on top of hits. You see me? Yeah, unruly boss. Big up yourself. Guys, if you enjoy this reaction, I want to see more. Just leave a like and leave it in the comment section also. Let me know. You understand? Yo, my God. Look more. You hear that?